Let's start by creating a fully customized OMR sheet with options like font styles, colors, and text sizes. Also define the exam structure by setting the number of questions, then hit generate. Instantly, a custom printable OMR sheet is created. Now from your exam history, select the exam. Let's set up the exam keys. Simply tap the correct bubble for each question set and hit save. Next, set the exam markings. Define the marks per question. It's time for evaluation. Using your phone's camera, simply scan each student's completed sheet. The app instantly grades the paper, showing correct, incorrect, and multi-mark answers along with the final score. Let's scan the second student. Graded. And the third student, graded. It's that fast and simple. All results are saved in the filterable student history. Here you can see all students at a glance. Tap any student to see a detailed performance analysis. For a more broader view, the analysis tab gives you an overall performance summary of the entire exam for all students. Finally, generating customized reports is also easy. Choose your options, enter your email address, and hit send. Immediately, a CSV file according to your specifications is delivered to your inbox.